Good evening, everybody. My name is Jamie with Southern Breakers. Today is Monday, May 28th, 10:07 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and we are getting ready to do mixer number 157. So, as always, I do appreciate you joining, and good luck. Hope everybody got to enjoy their day off if they had one. Totally understand. Alrighty. XSplit. These are all base. Etched in Time, Barry Sanders. Field Vision is Aaron Rodgers. Green Rookie, Nick Vanette, Kenneth Dixon, and a green Delaney Walker. Auto for the Ravens is Correa. So Ravens, got an auto. And then we'll do 2015 High Tech. Oh, 41 of 50 for the Raiders. Tim Brown. So they snuck in an extra hit on this one. An of 50 Tim Brown for the Raiders. Base. Moncrief for the Colts. This one is 8 of 25. And auto is David Johnson. It's not bad for your 2015 auto. David Johnson is not numbered. 2016 playoff. Base. Tom Brady, playoff Air Boss Hogs is LaShawn McCoy and Devontae Booker, rookie. Boss Hogs, Adrian Peterson. Second down, 36 of 49. Boss Hogs, Latavius Murray and Vincent Valentine, rookie. Class Reunion, Andrew Luck and Russell Wilson. DeAndre Hopkins, Stargazing, and Keith Marshall, rookie. Class Reunion, Mike Singletary and Lawrence Taylor. Stargazing, Larry Fitzgerald. And Roberto Aguayo, rookie. Class Reunion is Andre Reed and Jerry Rice, Jameis Winston, Stargazing, and Jermaine Ifedi, rookie. Class Reunion, Carson Palmer, Jason Witten. Boss Hogs, TJ Yeldon and Shaq Lawson, rookie. Playoff Thunder, Blake Bortles, Drew Brees, Stargazing, and Taylor Decker, rookie. Blake Bortles, Playoff Air, Stargazing, Matt Forte, rookie Sheldon Day. Thunder is Von Miller. Boss Hogs, Matt Jones and Joey Bosa, rookie. And Kendichi, that is 172 of 199 kickoff. Playoff Thunder, Von Miller. Stargazing, Phillip Rivers. And rookie is Mackenzie Alexander. Brandon Marshall, kickoff is 11 of 199. Boss Hogs, Mark Ingram and Keenan Reynolds, rookie. John Elway, 74 of 99, first down. Ryan Tannehill, playoff air. Boss Hogs, Jonathan Stewart and Paul Perkins, rookie. So our hits are Mariota. That is rookie recall. 96 of 99 for the Titans. Ms. Lifestyles, that is Von Miller. Playoff. Solid color patch. It is not numbered. And then we do have a redemption. 2016 rookie signatures, card number 56. It is Carl Joseph going to the Raiders. Carl Joseph going to the Raiders. 2017 playoff. you want to do a classics break, remember we do have that listed online. Base. Rookie is Jamal Williams, Gridiron Force, Gerald McCoy, Stargazing, Travis Kelce. Rookie is Marlon Humphrey, Leaf Flicker, Landry, Jai, and Tannehill. Archie Manning, 49 of 99, first down for the Saints. Rookie is Nazir Jones, Cooper, Carr, Lynch, Flea Flicker, and Ray Lewis, 149 of 299 for the Ravens. For the Redskins, Jonathan Allen, kickoff, 111 of 299. Rookie, Terrell Basham, Flea Flicker, Baldwin, Wilson, Rawls, Lynch, Balls Hogs. Rookie is Corey Davis. Playoff momentum, Tyreek Hill. Rookie CJ Beathard, Boss Hogs, Todd Gurley. Thunder and Lightning is Bell and Brown. And base. Thunder and Lightning, 48 of 99, Manning and Beckham. First down. Rookie Christian McCaffrey. Reggie Wayne, playoff momentum, Flea Flicker is Smith, Hunt, and Hill. Rookie Kerryon Conley. Gridiron Force, Luke Kuechly. Stargazing, LaShawn McCoy. Rookie Jarrah Davis. Boss Hogs, DeMarco Murray. Thunder and Lightning is Devontae Freeman and Julio Jones. Ed Reed, Gridiron Force, Stargazing, Von Miller. Marcus Williams, rookie. Bruce Smith, Gridiron Force, Stargazing, Le'Veon Bell. Marlon Mack, rookie. Playoff momentum is Tim Brown. Well, there we go. 12 of 149, solid color patch for Panthers, Christian McCaffrey. And auto is Game Day signatures. That is 7 of 20, Derek Carr for the Raiders. Very nice Derek Carr. October 30th, 2016 Game Day auto. And 2018 Classics. DJ Chark, rookie. That is Mariota for the Titans. Let's see. 27 of 65. Tomlinson and Gordon. Eris. Rookie is Billy Price. Full throttle is Jalen Ramsey for the Jaguars. Rookie Michael Gallup. Charles Haley for the Cowboys. 87 of 299. Full throttle is for the Chiefs, Kareem Hunt. Deontay Burnett, rookie. Championship for the Broncos, sticker. Composers is Manning. Rookie is Mason Rudolph. Delaney Walker for the Titans. 4 of 99. Era is Suggs and Lewis. Rookie Carlton Davis. Chrome rookie Dallas. It is a chrome, opti chrome. Those regular ones are not numbered. High praise. Deion Sanders. Fitzpatrick rookie. Marquise Goodwin for the 49ers. 31 of 50. Classic Clashes. Urlacher and Miller. Luke Falk, rookie. Andy Dalton. 134 of 199. 299. For the Bengals. Matt Ryan Composers. JT Barrett rookie. Championship 49ers sticker. Composers Brett Favre. Saquon Barkley rookie. Chrome Marcus Allen. Rookie is Mark Andrews. High praise Marshall Faulk. Jester rookie. Composers Cam Newton, 22 of 99. Classic Clashes, Joe Namath and Dan Marino. Rookie is Rashawn Evans. Chrome is Zeke. And Rogers Composers. Keyshawn Bierre rookie. And base. We have Thurman Thomas solid color patch for the Bills. This one is not numbered. Nope, no number. Going to the Bills. And Kerryon Johnson rookie auto. This one is 80 of 99, going to the Lions. Going to the Lions. Alright, I do have to randomize these, so this is how we're going to do this. Even is top. Odd. It goes to the bottom. And it is 2. So even. Dolphins, Broncos, Bengals, 49ers, Giants, and Colts. Quickly go over these. Bills, Thurman Thomas. We have McCaffrey of 1/49, solid color patch. Mariota, rookie recall of 99, and Von Miller, solid color patch. Johnson auto, game day auto, Derek Carr of 20. For the Raiders, Carl Joseph, David Johnson auto, and Correa auto for the Ravens. Yeah. Well, you know, the other one I had walked away. It ran away. I gotta find it. Put an APB out. Alright, that is all that we have for tonight. Of course, we'll be here next Sunday without a doubt, but we do have other listings on the website and on eBay. So if you want to do the 2018 Classics, go ahead and grab your spot.